All right, what's up, guys? Bear with me here while we get started. Entire screen. Bam. Bam. Proceed to log in. All right, give me a second here while I log in, and then we'll get this money. Let's get this shit done. I don't know why my camera is so dark. Hold on. Maybe there's a way I can fix that? Hold on. Chat. All right, you guys can hear me? Let's get Thinkorswim up. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Hold on. I'm sharing. Give me a second. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, y'all. Let's get this motherfucking money today. Guys, but I'm ready to eat, man. I'm ready to get this bread and get this shit done. Previous day low. All right, let's check it out. We got our Top Step account right here, and let's do a quick pre-market analysis. So I'm watching ES, obviously. PDL is extremely important, all right? Buyers control this. I'm looking short. But sellers got the ball right now. How do we know this? That green bar ignored, all right? That's key. So we're going to want to watch that in the event here that we'll be able to get a short play. So I want to drop down to a lower time frame and see if we can get some criteria. All right. There's also this level right here in pre-market that's holding very well. So let's get it done. Strong push here off open print. I got my eye on selling criteria. Let's look at NQ. NQ, very similar. Sellers got the ball. Previous day lows right below. Let's see here what we get as price shoots down here into PDL. I am starting to like these sellers. Sellers are looking good. How you guys doing? I know you can't see me because my camera settings are all jacked. It kind of looks cool. It's like a dark, like mysterious thing going on. But obviously you guys aren't here to look at my beautiful face. You're here to make some money. So hopefully it's not a big deal. Let's see what we get here. Give us a minute. Hopefully everyone's having a pretty good week. Let's see what we get. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let me drop the comment live, guys. Let's get it on. I'm freaking pumped, dude. I'm so thankful for this damn market, guys. Hold on. Live link. Let's go. We literally got a market. We can just identify opportunity in and just pull triggers. Just execution all day long. All right, let's get it. So once again, price is coming here in the previous day low. All right. I'm watching that 1 hour trend. I'm also watching this guy right here. All right. We got a green bar that's ignored off OP. So now I'm going to want to watch. Look at that. Good morning, Nene. What's up, guys? I love my team, man. I love you guys. All right. Okay, so let's watch this retest right here. I really don't, and this is kind of a tricky one. We're coming into a key level, so I don't just want to necessarily bum rush shorts, okay? Let's not bum rush it. Let's see what buyers do, okay? My boy Brandon, welcome to the team, bro. Let's get it. Oh, man. Let's crush them today. All right, cool. So a lot of buying coming in here off PDL. Once again, we're staying patient. I got previous day high mapped. I got EOD mapped. And even all my futures traders, guys, don't neglect charts like SPX, man. Look at this. Look at how sick, like, it just having price action without pre-market data is key. Make sure you guys can hear me, right? You guys can hear me? If you guys can hear me, post something. Just say I could hear you. Throw a comment in if you can hear me. I know you can't see me and it's kind of weird. But if you can hear me, just let me know. Testing. Sometimes these streams get a little funny. Audio good, Matt. I appreciate the comment, brother. Thank you. Okay, so once again, we're staying patient. Look at these buyers coming in off PDL. Gotta love them pint numbers, baby. Todd, my boy Todd. What up, stud? What up, stud? I know y'all ready to get paid, man. Question or statement before we get started here. We get paid based on our ability to do what? Execute our edge. Okay? We also get paid based on our ability to do what? Avoid chop or negative markets. Okay? It's very important to remind ourselves that. Like expectations kill more traders than anything else in this game. Watching open print here. I might put on a tester off open print. Nah, I'm holding off. There's no moving average respect right there. So we're just gonna stay a little patient. Just gonna stay a little patient, guys. Just a little more patient. Just a little more patient. Just a little more patient. No rush. No rush. Friggin' blessed, man. Freaking ultra blessed. All of us. Super blessed. I always like to remind myself how friggin' blessed I am. Even when shit is hard. Life gets hard, you're blessed. You at least get to have a hard life. Watching SPX here, as we come back into open print, I definitely, I want to say I got my eye on puts or shorts as we come up to the open. But there's still really no criteria, right? All what I know is price is trending down. And we're the RBIs and GBIs are getting respected really well. Previous day low is playing a massive role in price action right now. Very important. Very important. Buyers hold PDL. We got to stay put. Oh, guys, look at NQ. Look at NQ right now. Oh, look at NQ. I'm watching NQ longs. Potentially. Oh yeah, look at SPY, baby. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Give me a good old retest. Give me the retest. What's the 1 hour? Let's do a little context building here. 1 hour time frame's doing what? It's bouncing off PDL, but that trend is still trending down. So for what it's worth, we want to make sure we're just aware, right? Let's take a look at the daily time frame. I'm watching NQs. That probably wasn't a bad long play right there. It's just my criteria is still not present. We did get a GBI or an RBI off the open with a moving average cross. So technically, this is the strategy. So you know what? I'm looking for a little pullback for an NQ long. This is a long play. I'll try something small. I'm not in it yet. I've been throwing testers out there, right? Every once in a while, feel free to throw a tester. Hold on. Don't be so worried to lose a couple bucks. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be so worried about it. Like, obviously, don't go full retard and put yourself in a bad state, or if your account's not in a good place. But don't be super afraid to, like throw a tester on to see if things are working. But you at least need your criteria. So let's just stay patient here. SPY's still battling that open. I'm watching the 2-minute 20 here. And this is the meat and potatoes, right? Like, Yeah, we gotta wet the beak a little bit. So if we hold the 20 here on NQ, I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna go super low size, but we gotta hold the 20. I feel like that 1 hour trend is just pushing down though right now. Look, see? You see, all right, ready, guys? Especially individuals in the mentorship and Process Academy. This is for you. See how I'm using the strategy to tell me what the market's in, right? I'm letting the strategy tell me right now. I'm going, oh, hey, have I gotten an RBI? Oh, yeah, I did. I got an RBI right here. Have I gotten a moving average cross? Oh, okay, right? So maybe buyers got the ball. This is how we filter good markets from bad markets, right? If you're building your own account, this is very important because it helps you avoid making bad decisions in the market. If you're trading it funded or trying to get funded, once again, you need a tool to keep you from just engaging. Ooh, I'm still watching NQ here. I swear, if we hold above the 20, I will. Nope, we didn't. Okay. So see how I use my moving average to help me determine how strong the buyers were right there. So we're just staying patient, honestly, this might be sellers might be coming into the game right now, honestly, but that's okay. We're not gonna bum rush it. We ain't gonna bum rush it. We're just gonna plot Tesla levels in the meantime. So let's see. From my options traders that are looking to kill it on Tesla. Let's see, end of day and PDH are the same. Okay, it looks something like this. Gotta wet the beak a little bit. Gotta wet the beak a little bit sometimes, man. Listen. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day, man. Another thing I like to do is I gotta get my head right. And that doesn't mean like being like extremely optimistic. But one thing I do like to do is get myself in a good state of mind. All right. If you feel a lot of pressure, if you're overthinking things, you're not gonna trade well. Right. So when I get into my office, I leave everything from the outside out there, and then it just becomes a game versus me against the market. SPX 2-minute 20. Is my boy watching SPX? That's my boy Todd right there. What's SPX doing? Let me see. Oh yeah, SPX with the short play. We ain't there yet. But yeah, that's looking. See, this is so. What do we got going on here? We got strong selling that came in and defended the open multiple times. We got a 1 hour trend that's pretty close. I'm honestly, I'm looking for. I'll throw a little tester on this because the 1 hour trend's so bearish. I'm not in it yet. But I would be willing. No, I'm not throwing a tester on because the strategy ain't there. There's no strategy for me yet. It's that simple. There ain't no criteria, so I'm not taking a trade. Staying patient. That's the key. That's the key. I do like this 1 hour trend though. I do. I feel like it's pushing price down, right? You guys see this? Got ourselves nice, valid push down. Price is trending down. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a breakout below PDL. I got no trend, so let's do a little drawing. Okay, let's see where we're at. So right now we got one of these going on, right? This is what we call a descending triangle, I believe. Where's my boy Chris Beckwith? What up, stud? My bad. I don't throw the whole government out there. My boy Chris, absolute stud. All right, you guys see what I'm seeing? See what I'm seeing? We got ourselves a nice little pattern. This is an ascending triangle, right? It's moving down, but we've yet to get what? A new low. Okay? So let's just watch this. Look at NASDAQ, okay? NASDAQ, we got the AOV holding. Ooh, that's pretty. Red bar has been disrespected. Moving average cross. Getting a retest here. I still on NASDAQ here. I want to see, a 2-minute 20 retest. I'll hop in long on NASDAQ. I just want to see a little pullback on NASDAQ right now. Give me a pullback to open print, and I'll try something small. I'm going to go for like 3 minis. Nothing crazy. Maybe. Hold on. Let's see. But the criteria is present on NASDAQ. So it's the only reason why I'm open to it. SPY is still a little bearish. NASDAQ here, though, we did get the criteria. I'm noticing like these false breakouts below. Ready? Look at you see how we're below the 20 here? Break below, rally, break below, rally. So something to think about here. Tesla getting a nice reversal. Open print. We're literally bouncing off open print right now on NASDAQ. Market's just kind of congested though. So stay a little patient. I know it's exciting to hop on lives and trade, and but the craziest thing, guys, is my best days come from me not doing retarded things, just staying patient. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I don't like these buyers. I just don't. Let's see. All right, let's see here. Where we at? The ALV is holding well. What's my 1 hour look like here on NASDAQ? Bouncing off the 50 a bit. We got end of day. Look at SPY. She's looking all right, guys. She's looking all right. All right. So I'm still watching this area of value right here. SPY also has one. This is also, and we're getting the moving average cross on SPY. We're not there yet, though. We're retesting trend. But according to the recent RBI, buyers are in control. Breaking out here on NASDAQ/QQQ. SPY bouncing off a 20 here. Still nothing really like. Is there news or something coming out today? Hold on. I'm just trying to figure out why. Probably not a bad long play right here on SPY. Hold on. $10 a.m. consumer sentiment. So in about 4 minutes, we're gonna get consumer sentiment. Nice push there on NASDAQ. Nice push up to EOD. We got 4 minutes till news drops. I'm liking what buyers are doing here. We're getting a nice little breakout right here with a moving average cross. I'm looking for a way to get in here on ES. As a matter of fact, I'm looking for an entry. Getting a little breakout here, moving average cross. I would like a little pullback towards that ALV right here. I want to pull back here. We really might not get it. And that's fine. We got news in 4 minutes. I'm not just gonna bum rush into something. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna hit the head. Oh shit! Hold on, I'm not, because we might get a pullback here. Watching this little pullback. Okay, we're retesting the area of value. I'm watching to see how this 2-minute candle responds to this moving average here on the 5. Okay, we're gonna use that 5 as like a benchmark here to understand how aggressive these buyers are. Let's see. Yeah, nice little shift here. Micro S&P. All right, we're pushing here. That's a clean breakout. She's probably gonna rip. All right, so buyers are doing their thing. Nice push right there. Nice push. It's just cool to see like how that RBI is held. Those things held. They were good. Just really wasn't able to find a clean entry. Let's see if I can. All right, looking for a pullback to open print here on ES. May have look at SPX here. SPX is pretty bullish here above open print. Looks like we're about to be ripping up here into EOD. I should have wet the beak, Todd. I should have wet the beak. Should have just wet the beak, put my stop below the previous two. But it's okay. The bullish structure is still materializing here. I'm looking for some sort of pullback here. Price action's kind of wonky. We got 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, 10 a.m. Let's get this money. All right, 1 hour trend starting to bump up a little bit. Lord, give me a sign. There it goes. Damyo, son. Nice push. Very nice push up in the EOD there. Tesla, I got my eye on some sort of red bar, ignored two. Hopping the longs on Tesla. Maybe it's just me, but does the market look like she's barely moving? Inching. Maybe I'm just still getting used to watching futures. Yeah, NQ. We got that clean breakout of that descending triangle, guys. I feel like this is going to be a clean move right here. Very clean. I think it's going to be a clean breakout here. We got ourselves a little pocket. Little pocket here. Little pocket on the 5 minute. Don't you dare hop in longs right now. Not with that pocket, right? Got the little pocket right here. Boom. But because I said that, it'll probably rally. Yeah, I agree, Eric. I think that's why I held off too. And it's one of those things, right? It's like it was bouncing off PDL. But yeah, I agree with you 100%. The moving average cross really didn't happen yet. NASDAQ could have definitely happened. There it goes. Who's got their chase hat on right now? Chris, Chris, you got the chase hat on? I might be getting the chase hat coming on pretty soon here. Damn, she's cooking. That's all right. That's all right. Life is a trader, you know. Shit happens right in front of your eyes. You wait a second, and shit just takes off on you. Clean. Look at this. Look at this 2-minute chart right here. She is respecting the 9 extremely well. Very well. Coming into end of day though. So, you know, Tesla, see what we get. SPX is giving us a clean. Look at the trend line break on SPX too, right? Like broke trend, boom. It's perfect. Beautiful. I tell you guys, trend lines, don't sleep on trend lines, man. A lot of people hate on them. This thing's gonna just continue to friggin' cook. Look at this. NASDAQ. Okay. How can we take advantage of this? All right. EOD. What you trying to tell me? What you trying to tell me, EOD? What you trying to tell me? Yeah, look at she just ripping, dude. I friggin' love it. Like, bro, not even a pullback to the 9, nothing. This shit has been happening way too often. All right, so let's watch some. We got a key level right here because you know we're getting pretty. I mean, Nasdaq ripping right into PDH here. All right, I'm watching Tesla. I want to see what the 1 hour looks like on Tesla for a possible long play. Let's see, because we're right at previous day high right here on Tesla. All right, and I'm also over here watching ES. All right, there's that pocket. We're at end of day. Pretty strong pullback here. Tesla is looking a little ugly. Just a little. I'd say so. She's looking, oh my God. Okay, what is this? Yeah, that 9, dude. Just looking on the 2-minute here, how that 9 continues to hold. It's almost like when price comes down and tags it, buyers just keep defending it. This is stuff I like to watch because it helps me when as I'm holding positions, what to look for. Like if I was in this long right now, I would literally, my stop would just go right below the previous 2, right? And a little couple ticks below it, and I'd go, okay, is this still bullish? And we're holding moving average pretty well. NASDAQ. All right. If I get an RBI, obviously I'm gonna hop in small size. I want to at least see like a pullback to this is very aggressive buying, and I just want to see, yeah, at least a pullback to like the bottom of the 5-minute candle, something. Let's see. Yeah, I'm telling you, Chris. I thought about it too, bro. Listen, sometimes the chase hat pops on, and we want to chase, and sometimes it's not a bad move. And there's a difference between chasing. Okay, let's watch this real quick. Let's watch this. I want to see how price reacts to the bottom of the 5-minute candle retest. I want to see how price reacts to this. Okay, nice. Little extended here from the 20. But we got a pretty healthy 5-minute trend right here. She looks pretty. She looking pretty. I've been studying candles a lot. I like to see what the bottoms. You guys will notice something. When price starts to retest the bottom of the previous candle, it tells us a lot. What do we got? We got about minute 30 left on this candle here. What a strong push. I was trying to get into longs there on NASDAQ, but I just didn't get it. It's all right. Let's see. 5-minute trend doesn't look terrible. Yeah, Tesla is still a little wishy-washy. I'm gonna pull up SPX here because it tells me a lot sometimes. Okay, so watching SPX here for a pullback. Tesla is coming into open print, getting the pullback here on SPX. So I want to see. Strong move up. I just want to see if buyers can hold it. Yeah, 1 hour. The 1 hour just kind of looks like shit. All right. ES is trying to hold that 2-minute 5. Notice we come into the 2-minute 5. We can't close below the 2-minute 5. Let's see what this candle tells us. Just staying patient, guys. Listen, this is trading. Unfortunately, this is just a game, right? It doesn't always work the way we want it. All right, we're coming to the low of that 5-minute. Coming to the low of that 5-minute. We're retesting it. You guys see that? You see how we came into the low? Buyers showing a little bit of strength. Tesla bouncing here off the 20. SPX looks clean for longs, dude. Break and retest right off. Oh, no, man. She looks pretty. I definitely got my eye on a long play. I know it seems a little crazy, but it's if that's what it takes just for me to get my hand in the water here a little bit. I'm not in it yet. I want to see buyers maintain this. They're trying. They keep holding that 2-minute 5, which tells me it's just aggressive. Getting pretty aggressive buying as we come into EOD. I feel like an RBI is it's almost waiting too much. But I'm just, I'm staying a little patient here. I'm watching the 2-minute. I want to see this low continue to hold. I want to see that low just hold. All right, holding. She is trying to hold. Coming into EOD. Not in it. Not in it. Patience. Patience. A little far away from that 1 hour. Staying patient. I like that though. I want to at least retest the 5. And the truth is, we might not even get that. We really might not even get it. I like the retest off end of day on SBX here. I'm not going to lie to you. I want to find a long play. I just don't like the find that move up. Quick things that go up quickly tend to come down quickly. I just want to see, and you know what? Maybe that's what it looks like, right? And like this is the battle. We're getting the battle at the low of that 5 minute. If we close above the 5 on this one, that could be it. If this candle can get back above that 5, she might rally. All right, NQ. What you doing, NQ? Friggin' NQ ripped. Jeez. So the gap has been filled on NQ. Now buyers are pretty much trying to claim it. I'm watching that level very closely. And I'm also watching a retest off open print, guys. Area value retest would be extremely lovely right now. We're also coming into the 2-minute 20. So we're getting some stuff here. We're getting some stuff. I got a 2-minute 20 retest coming up in a little bit on ES. So let's see. Staying patient. Staying patient. Patience. Oh, coming into the 20 here. This is a very important level on NASDAQ. I like seeing the 5-minute trend hold. I like us coming to the, ooh, look at that. Oh boy, oh boy. As much as I like, we're just too far away from end of days right there. This is just patient mode for me, unfortunately. There's just nothing there. How you guys doing? What do we got here? Couldn't hold above PDH. The 200 pull back to 40 makes sense. Tesla, we're above open print here on Tesla. That drop below end of day is looking kind of that really kind of makes things look a little weak here on SPX. Being above EOD, falling below it isn't my favorite confirmation for longs. I don't think sellers are done. But NQ has a different freaking story. Let's see. Bounce off the 20 here. She did respect. You know what? Give me another pullback to that 20, and I'll wet the beak. I'll wet the beak a little bit. Hold on. So I'm watching this. I'm watching what buyers look like here. I really like that bounce off the 2-minute 20. I like NASDAQ. NASDAQ has a lot of pressure. I'm watching the 2-minute 20 right here, guys. Now this is going to be a scalp. Okay, it's going to be a scalp right here. I'm like you guys see this 2-minute, how we respected the 20 here, respected the 20. Now sellers are trying to push here. I'm not in nothing yet. Oh, come on. Yeah, here we go. Once again, come into the 20, If we close above this 2-minute 20, oh, and we're coming into AOV right here on SPY. I know this is a little sketchy, but I definitely got my eye on longs. I definitely got my eye on longs in this area of value. I'm going to start small going in, and then we'll go from there. Do like 10 minis. Micros, my bad. Micros. The smaller one. Okay, let's see. Coming into an area of value, guys. Look at NASDAQ. Does NASDAQ look weak to you? No. NASDAQ actually looks really bullish. And it's consolidating. Ready? Close above that moving average, baby. We got 5 seconds. And then I am definitely hopping in that in, boom, a minute. I am in long. All right. Crystal clear entry. In long, we're going to target EOD. Where we will, let's go, limit sell. We're going to sell 5 up here. And then we'll see where that goes. Let's see what we get. It's definitely this is a touchy play. It's touchy, but I want to give it a shot. I know it looks kind of crazy here, and I definitely might get stomped out. But I did like how we ended up holding that 20. Not going crazy size. First trade of the day. Let's see what we get. It's a sketchy one. But you know what? They're all sketchy. All right, let's see if she holds. Price came down, respected that 20. Sellers are definitely trying here. It's bouncing off high of day here. See what we get. What we got? What we got, babe? What we got, babe? May have rushed it. Let's see what we get. It's because we got that ALV right there. But we're going to give it a shot. And that's the 50% fib. Ready? Watch this, guys. Fibonacci. Look at my Fibonacci. Look at my Fibonacci, baby. Come on, love. Come on, fib. It might clip me and continue. And you know what? If that happens, I'm all right with that. If it clips me and continues, I'll be frustrated. But let's see. We close below the 2-minute right there. It might snag me. Let's see. We ain't afraid. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I don't like closing below the 2-minute 20 there, but I'm already in the trade, so it is what it is. I got my stop where it needs to be. We're bouncing right off the fib right there. The fib needs to hold, baby. Can the fib hold, love? Can she hold? Can the fib hold? The fib is holding. The fib is holding. Keep holding. What? Keep holding. Yeah, keep holding. That's an RBI. I'm whipping up the stops. Look at that, guys. Great play. Great play. Nothing crazy. But end of days right there. Let's see if we can get some profit on that trade. Look at NASDAQ, dude. NASDAQ's pushing. Anyone capture this with me? I'm sorry. I'm long on spot. And my first target was hit. First take profit was hit. All right, and we'll let the rest of this one just do its thing, right? We're going to post it here in the corner. Now I'm watching NASDAQ as well. What a play off the Fibonacci. You guys see that? That was a beautiful play right there off the Fibonacci. Ooh, look at that push. Look at the push, baby. Look at the push. All right, watch NASDAQ, guys. Now, what we got on NASDAQ? Should have traded NASDAQ. Damn. Look at NASDAQ off the 2-minute 20. I missed it. I mean, I didn't because I got in SPY. Ooh, look at the push. I told you guys we were making money today. I friggin' told you. W's. W's. Look at that push, dude. You see what patience will do to you? Look at that. Yo. Open it up. Bull target's all the way up there, baby. Don't you dare sell. Don't you dare sell it. That's one RBI, bro. Look at that. Look at that move. Unbelievable. Damn. Who caught it? Todd caught it. My boy Todd's probably still in it. Great play. Great play. Break even stop. Let her go, baby. Let her roll. Look at that. Look at that. So, okay. Just caught a great long play. We're still in it. What do? Draw my zone. Okay. This is the area of value. This is where I will play retest. I will, do my thing. Chris, you got that? You got that one? 40 points? Look at the team, man. Look at the team getting paid. It's what we do at HPT, man. It's what we do. Hey, yo, I'm looking at the stream right now. It's hilarious because you guys can't see my face. This is freaking I'm like the ghost. I'm like the ghost here. Look at this push, bro. I'm holding this. I'm holding it. Rob, nice to see you back on the lives, bro. I love you guys, man. Look at this. That was such a good play. Oh my God. Such a good play right there. All right, I'm watching Tesla puts. Look at it on SBX. Oh my God. Look at SBX here. Look at this. Bro, anybody that wants a free mini course on this strategy, click the link below. Anybody that wants to join a team that's absolutely the friggin' best, click the link below. There are no more slots open on the mentorship program, but that doesn't mean that Process and Profits Academy, stuff like that. Just take a look, man. Guys, we're building something good over here. Look at that, man. It's beautiful. Now I'm just gonna watch my phone and let it go. Not worried about it. Not worried about it. We caught a live one. We caught a live one over here. We're currently live. If you're not a part of it, you should be. Okay, click the links below. We got tons of individuals on here getting money, man. Look at this. Look at this play, right? What is it? Once again, red bar ignored. Target your upside targets. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Trading key levels. How far can she go? How far can she go? Let's see. We'll check back later. We caught a live one. Post it for the world. All right, guys. How do we want to do take profit here? That's a strong push. We got ourselves a gap. I just got 5 contracts. So lock the money in. I don't like pockets. It's that simple. It means pull back. I'll find another entry. Good play right there, guys. Great play. Phenomenal play. All right, what's next? What is next? All right. Got ourselves a little channel here. It's another reason why I took profit on SBX. All right, and just to be clear, I am watching for a pullback into this AOV to get back in long. Bump up the fib. Dude, look at that profit taking. Bro, guys, we're on fire. It's about to be $1,000 day. I already feel it. I already feel it. I feel good right now, guys. I feel really good. All right, watching NASDAQ. I feel real freaking good right now. Watching that fib. If that fib holds, I'm getting in it. Good job, Chris. Good job. You always get back in. There's always, it's these markets, they swing. They swing. So good play. Watching the fib, pulled back to the fib. Where's the AOV at? Did we test the AOV? Because this is at end of day right here. This is key. Where's my 1 hour at? Where's my 1 hour trend? It's kind of far. I don't love it. I don't love it, but it is a pullback to the Fibonacci. If this 5-minute candle closes above the fib, maybe we get in. Dude, it's RBI friggin' central today. Great play. All right. Remember, price tends to hold that 2-minute pretty well. The 2-minute 5. And that's what we're getting here on NASDAQ. 2-minute 5 is holding well. This is the stuff that we teach, is like how to actually read moving averages in a way that's actually going to help you make money. All right, 5-minute candle is still, that was such a fire play. This is at end of day here. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Stay patient. Just wait for the AOV retest, guys. Just wait for it. Johnny, what's Tesla? Oh, Tesla with the short play. All right, I'm trying to multi-manage this, but I'm going to – shit, I'm lacking right now heavy on Tesla. That's a great short play on Tesla. Yep, looks good. I'm watching SPX and Tesla here. Watching for a pullback here into the AOV. What's the 1 hour look like? Shit, I'm missing ES right now. It's okay. Never be eager. If you miss things, you miss things. Doesn't matter. Yeah, Tesla looks... Let me pull up Tesla contracts here on my phone. Yeah, that fib held well. And I kind of missed my entry here on SPY. Damn it. Damn it, love. Not in it yet. But that was a really nice pullback there on the fib. I wanted hold on. Oh no, never mind. We didn't even touch it. We didn't come all the way down. Yeah, she might take off on me. NQ. It's okay. I'm going to hit the head. I'll be right back, guys. No rush. No rush. You guys seeing NASDAQ right now? Oh, snap. Johnny, that's a Tesla. That's a Tesla play. That's a Tesla short play. Hopping in the 455s. I'm just going light, guys. I'm just going light. I'm going 3. Hold on. Yeah, definitely hopping in Tesla right now. Just gonna put a 30-cent stop on that, or 30, like a 30%. So let's see. I'm gonna give Tesla a shot short. That's clean criteria right there, guys. Clean. First target's low a day here. I gotta try that. Phil was at 168. All right. Dude, NASDAQ's pumping. Yeah, that might hurt my Tesla short. But it is what it is. When you see the strat, you gotta take it. Look at NASDAQ right now, bro. NASDAQ might be a scalp. Oh, we're bouncing off end of day right now, too? All right, you know what? Micro. Yeah. Let's see. It looks pretty. Look at my boy Tesla holding. Clean 5-minute trend right here on Tesla. I think we're going to consolidate a little bit here on ES. She is taking off. Trying to do both these. Dude, NASDAQ is pumping right now. Jeez. Oh, dude, that's an RBI on NASDAQ. That's an RBI on NASDAQ right now. It'd be a horrible feel to chase this. I can't chase it. Damn it. That's way too far. I'm watching a pullback, though. If I can get a pullback into that, that's a healthy 5-minute trend. That 1 hour just looks terrible. I'll hop in something small if I can get it. Clearly, that news was just really good. Yeah, guys, we should have been trading NQ. Look at this thing. Holy smokes. Down 7% on Tesla. Nothing crazy. I like that 5-minute trend. I got an O above it. All right, I'm watching NASDAQ. See if we can get longs on NASDAQ. I know it sounds crazy, but it just went in the beak here. I'm not in it. Healthy, respecting the 2-minute 5. It might take off on me. I might not even get it. Which is all part of the process. We're up $300 today. You know, you don't gotta go crazy. Oh my God. It's okay. Just let the process play out. Green bar ignored here on Tesla. We're letting it play out, guys. We're letting it play out. Meaning my stops up here at around 448. We're retesting open print. This honestly might be the add-in. Right? The strategy is still it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's right. It's coming up. It's retesting the area of value. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Retesting open print. Only thing is the market's rallying, so it's kind of pulling this thing up right now. NQ is friggin' ripping. I feel a pullback coming up, though. I feel like it's going to reverse. I feel like Tesla's weak. Let's see. This thing's consolidating at the top of this channel, though. All right, NASDAQ. What you doing? What you doing, Nazzy? What you doing, NASDAQ? That 5-minute trend here on NASDAQ is just healthy. It's just a healthy 5-minute trend. If we get stomped out on Tesla, so be it. I do not care. Down 21% on Tesla. I got to give it to the top of that candle right there. I got to give it to 448. It sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, we couldn't close. You guys see the 2-minute 20 here? Come on. Come on, sellers. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. If we close below that 2-minute 20 on Tesla, I'm gonna throw all right, so I got, let's see. I got 3 contracts. So I'll throw another 2 on. Hold on. Oh my god, watch. You can't make this shit up, guys. You can't. Hold on. Close below it. Close below it. Close below the 2-minute 20. Johnny, are you here, Johnny? Got to be watching this. This is important. My options traders, this is important. This is key. Right off open print. I know indices are ripping, but this is it's a little sketchy. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, look at that. That's sketchy as shit. All right. I don't want to miss too much here. All right, this is touchy here on Tesla. We're still in it. I'm not adding in it. I'm not going to add because everything back is just ripping right now. That 2-minute 5 keeps holding. Damn it. That's all right. I want to just take this loss. Yep. Hold on. I'm not out yet. Good. Where we at? Where we at? Oh, NASDAQ shifting. We're coming into the AOV. I'm not out of the short yet. We're retesting this area of value right here on NASDAQ. Come on, Tesla. You see how that oh my god, look at it go. Look at it go. Where's my sellers? Where's my sellers? Where they at? Where they at, babe? Damn, dude. This SPY and NASDAQ are friggin' ripping right now. Look at this. Tesla's not done. She said, what? We are not done. This price action is kind of frustrating, though, because it's not giving me no entries. Yep. We're holding that. We're holding it on Tesla. We're holding it. It's close, though. Everything else is ripping and roaring, so. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it. But yeah, I'm out. I'm taking a loss. Taking a loss. Damn, I'm getting soaked, bro. All right, on to the next. On to the next. On to the next. On to the next. Let's go. NASDAQ's holding. In all reality, let's do a quick recap here. Call me crazy. But this 2-minute 5 keeps holding very well on NASDAQ. So I'm going to try small. I know it sounds a little nuts. But the 2-minute 5 keeps holding. So I'm just going to go for a long here on NASDAQ. Let me get abundantly clear on where my upside target is. I'm watching SPY. NASDAQ upside targets are going to be, what day is this? This is 1/16/2026. How far ago was that? Right here. Yeah, so that's my upside target. I literally have no upside target until 25,865. This is a scalp here, literally off the 2-minute 5. Anytime you're scalping, the best way to do it is just put your stop loss right below the previous candle. Usually when you do trades like this, they might not go in your favor. And then again, they might, right? Like, it's one of those things where it's not the easiest play. I'm trying to adapt to the market and the conditions it's giving me. And this thing's it's rallying. We got a really healthy 5-minute trend. So I'm just trying to take advantage of that. And I put my stop right below the previous candle. We're not going heavy in size. So, like, once again, I'm just following this trend. Looks like my upside target's 25,865. Which is so far away. 25,8. Yeah, it's like, it's literally like up here. Order plays. Oh, okay. Yeah, just playing this RBI. Might continue, might not. If it stops me, so be it. I'm super far away from the 2-minute 20. Might be an impulse play, but it is what it is. Once I'm in it, I commit to it. It stops right below the previous 5. Looking for this retest of the 5 to hold. Right? We're retesting the 2-minute 5. Very aggressive buying. I don't usually trade like this, but once again, I'm just trying to adapt to the trend. That would be insane if this thing takes off. But let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. It held. She held. You see how she held? That 2-minute 5 is holding. See if she can keep holding. It's a little sketchy. But what isn't? Everything in life's a little sketchy. All right, SPY starting to shift a little. All right, Nazi, what you doing? What you doing? So once I enter into the trade, I like to switch to the 5. See? What are we getting, guys? What are we getting? Are we going to get some continuation? I think so. I think we're going to. I know this is a sketchy play, but we're just playing the market. We're doing what the market's telling us to do. That's it. That's it, love. Let's see what we get. NASDAQ's pushing. That was weird. B.I.G. Oh, God. Whoa. Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click. Click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking click. Click, click. All right, she's trying, guys. She's trying, bro. Look at that. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Pump it up. Come on. Do whatever. My block behind me like I'm coming out the driveway. It's grind day from Friday to next Friday. I've been up straight for 9 days. I need a spy. Look at that. When she try to give me that food tang, I might let my crew bang. My crew deeper than Wu Tang. I'm rolling with great though my crew name. Just gotta have a little fun, bro. You gotta loosen up. Eric, so you remember the other day when we were messaging? This is what I was talking about. When you're unsure and you're uncomfortable, throw on some testers. Look at this push we're getting here on NASDAQ. We're literally about to clear a couple $100 off this trade, and it was sketchy as shit. But what did I do? I played off what the moving averages were telling me. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking me. Yeah, I'm talking boss. I ain't talking police. Your money too short, you can't be talking to me. Yeah, I'm talking LeBron. We ballin' our family tree. Good music, drug dealing, cousin, ain't nothing fucking with we. Me turn that 62 to 125, 125 to a 250, 250 to a half a man. Ain't nothing nobody can do with me. Now who with me? Dominoes, call me Hobo Hefe. Translation, I'm the shit. At least that's what my neck say. At least that's my check say. Oh, let's go. Nigga down for like 12 years, ain't hardly since the second grade. He never told who we go. Yo. Let's go. Take some profit there. Gotta take some profit. Don't be retarded. Cleaning house. Come on, baby. Oh my God, yes. All right, let's go. What's next? Who's in it? Who's in it? Come on, Nazzy. I'm staying in NASDAQ. Pull it up. Stop goes right below the previous 2 minute. Good job, guys. You guys caught that? You guys caught that on SPY? Why is all this lit up? There we go. Except mine tenant and his mind have been rented. Come on, baby. Look at that trend. Look at that trend. W's. I need some likes. I need some W's, guys. You guys are my boys. Make sure you like the video, right? If you made any bread today, make sure you liked it. If you learned something, make sure you liked it. My stop's going right. Is it going to clip me? Is that the last 2 minute? Hold on. What am I doing? I'm just going to let that run. We're going to let those contracts run. Stop's going to just go right below the previous two. Because what's the pattern, guys? Ready? This is when we learn. What's the pattern? The 5 is holding. So make sure you can account for a retest. Right? We might be and listen, guys, if we come into that 5, I'm going to add in. See, this is where the reversal traders get screwed. They go, "Oh my God, we've rallied all morning. We have to reverse." And I would argue that if you watch to see how price, instead of expecting price to reverse, just go, "Yo, what is it holding a moving average?" If price is ever respecting a moving average, do not trade a reversal. That makes sense? Good. Those sort of concepts will change the game for you. I'm watching ES. I want to get an ES too. I'm feeling froggy. I'm feeling froggy. Damn, look at that push. And guys, for all my people that don't like trend lines, look at this. Bam! Yo, we're still just cooking right now. Look. We're still in this. We ain't stopping. Yeah, that's a healthy 5-minute trend. You got to stay in it. ES is cooking. Of course, when I switch to NQ, ES cooks. That's just how it works for me. They're both cooking. Oh yeah, we ain't done, guys. We ain't done. We ain't done. Look at all the W's, man. Good work, guys. Is anybody, y'all still in ES right now? That thing's gonna rip. I'm getting in it. Yeah, there's no entry for me. I'm just gonna stay in NQ. Let's see how far she can go. I'm leaving this. Let her cook. Biggest takeaway from today is learning to take advantage of the 5 EMA, the 5-day. Look at that. Look at that push. If price can't close below the 5, trade off the 5. My boy Chris King. Once again, I'm going to throw some governments out there. My other boy Chris. Tesla. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Tesla's cooking. SPY. Yeah, look at SPY. RBIs, baby. RBIs. We're going to switch to the 5-minute here on NQ. I'm long, so what am I going to do? I think I can keep going, guys. I think this can keep going. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. It is what it is. I'm not selling. Nope. Tempo bounce. Look at that healthy trend, y'all. Come on. We like, it is what it is. We just let it go. Let it go. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really got to put a couple niggas in their place. And they just left. Pretty mic check with his name on my face. Look at the boys. Todd crushing it over here. My boy making, 3K a day. Straight 6, son of a bitch. Y'all are some savages. Good job, guys. Good job. Look at this. We just letting this rock, dude. I promise you guys, I'm not selling this. I am holding this long. Look at that. We're gonna see if we can trim. Why? All right, so we just trimmed one. Oh, we're coming into the 5. I'll add in. Call me crazy. I will literally add into this position. If this 2-minute candle holds the 5, I am adding in. We're coming into the 5. This is important. Let's see what we get. We're trimmed up. What's left here? We got almost, we're about to finish it. Ready? So we're long. And oh, we got one more minute. Snap. I like that retest of the 5 right there. I really do. There she goes. It's weird when I'm adding in off a moving average. Yeah, that 1046 candle, that was it, T. When I'm adding in on a moving average, I want to see the candle like close. I want to see it. I need to see it close. Nasdaq's still ripping, guys. This thing is not letting up. Look at this. Look at this thing. I'm gonna add in one. Add in another one here on Nasdaq. I know it's pretty friggin' crazy, but that 5-minute trend is just too healthy not to. I have to. I feel like I'm leaving way too much money on the table. We need another 500 to make this $1,000 day. Woo! Look at Nazi. Look at Nazi. Stop going right below previous 2-minute. Let her rip. Come on, baby. She just respected that 5. You gotta continue to trade with it. Men lie, women lie. Move. Let's go. Let's go. What was my upside target on Nasdaq? Holy smoke. Same with ES, guys. Y'all need to add into ES too right now. If you are in ES, that is an ad. All right. Our upside target on Nasdaq is 25865. 25865. Oh my God. 25865. Look at this. Look at this. What are we doing? All we're literally doing is playing off the moving average. If price respects that moving average, I add in. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Oh my God, this thing is cooking. This is what HPT is all about right here. These are the days we make all the money. Is Tesla ripping? I'm sure it did. Screw Tesla right now. Just watching my 2-minute. Watching my 2-minute. Look at this. Look at this on Nasdaq. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that push, guys. Look at that push. I'm hoping you guys are adding in. 25865. These are the days we make all the money. It's been a good week, honestly. It's been a fire week. Dude, look at this trend. Holy yo, look at ES. Look at ES right now. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, Todd, that 1046 candle was crazy. Whoa. Hold on. Where my moving averages go? Where my moving averages go? Where my indicators go? I clicked something. Help! Help! Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I got no indicators up here. That's fine. It blew the shorts out. Yeah, shorts are blown out right now. Look at ES, dude. This thing's gone. She gone. She gone. Where did my how did all my indicators just evaporate? Really? Yo, look at this, guys. Look at this. What? Y'all, are you guys watching this? All I need is the 5 right now. That's it. We're playing off the 5. You guys see this? This thing won't stop, dude. This thing ain't stopping. This is free money. Free money. Free money. All right, NASDAQ. Are we going to blow the top? All right, so I'm going to, how many contracts do I got 3. So I am going to sell 2 at 25.8. I'm going to take some profit like right there. I got my first take profit up here at 25.852. Dude, look at that push. Oh, man. So just let her keep cooking. I don't know. Well, guys, for all I know, this thing could just keep. It doesn't have to stop. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Watching the 5 here. Watching the 5. Watch the 5. I am going to lock in a. Oh, it's not going to give it to me. Not going to give it to me. Come on, baby. Pull up. Give me some of my profit. Give me some of my profit. Don't let me lose the profit. Don't let me lose the profit, love. That's looking a little sketch. Oh, boy. Eclipse me, eclipse me. Put that in right there. If it clips me, it clips me. I think it's I want to see it hold that 5. It might clip me, but you know what? It was a good trade. It's a good trade. See how I'm already accepting it? If it clips me, it clips me. Oh, yeah, clip me. Boom. Bam. That was, I mean, guys, we can't beat that. Can't beat that. Johnny, you hit that? You guys hit that? Good job. Good job, guys. Really good trading right there. It's really good trading. I could have done better on my exit. I could have done better on my exit. All right, so we finally broke that. Good trading. Very good trading. All right, so this when I go to the gym, guys. I love y'all. Great trading. Clean execution. Good job holding. Good job trading. It wasn't easy today, but we got her done. So thank you guys for coming. Thanks for showing up. I love you guys. Trading is not easy, but when we turn the common sense on and just follow your moving averages, things do get a lot easier. So I love you guys. I might hop back on later. I'm not sure yet. Depends on what it's like. If you guys need anything from me, message me in the team. Anybody that watched this, and wants more resources, click the links below. I am the faceless trader. Peace.